Hello there, Taurus sign. Welcome to your monthly reading. Taurus, this reading is for the month of December. For Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Taurus, hindi lahat ng Taurus maka-resonate sa reading na to. So, takes what resonates and leave the rest. Cross-watchers, pwedeng kayo to at hindi sila Taurus sign. So, put yourself in a situation kung saan kayo naka-resonate. Taurus, if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to, please do check your other placements, your Sun, your Moon, your Rising, your Venus sign, dahil pwedeng doon kayo maka-resonate at hindi dito. Taurus, if hindi kayo naka-resonate sa reading na to talaga at all, at naguguluhan kayo, might be this reading is not for you. Okay, so let's start. Taurus, I'm going to pull an oracle card first to see your situation. Taurus, this is your future self reading, love and relationship edition. So, future self reading about your love life, your relationship. So, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Entrapment, pregnancy, money, heartstring. So, Taurus, you might be pregnant, or your person siguro may nabuntis, o yung person mo yung nabuntis, kasi pwede itong babae, pwede lalaki, kung saan kayo naka-resonate. Entrapment, so parang feeling ko either your person na-trap siya sa ganitong sitwasyon, may nabuntis ba siya, or nabuntis siya, na-trap siya sa ganitong sitwasyon. And or ikaw ba, Taurus, ang na-trap sa ganitong sitwasyon, na nabuntis ka at yung person mo might be may asawa or may someone else. Pwedeng ganun. So, dito kayo nag-deal. Dito yung nakikita kong meron talagang, ito yung parang sino talagang makaresonate could be dito. Pwedeng nangyari na to, or nangyayari pa lang to ngayon. So, future self reading. So, this is what is happening, your situation right now. So, could be. See. Feeling ko natatrap ka talaga sa sitwasyon, Taurus. Taurus, might be one day in the future you're going to walk away emotionally from a situation. What are you like right now? Honestly, isa ngayon, Taurus, may nakikita ako sa iyo na parang new beginning. Might be new life na papasok sa buhay mo. This could also be a new life, new beginning. So, meron kang feeling right now na parang this is a like new journey ng buhay ko. So, ngayon, na nangyayaring ito. Hindi ka naman actually talagang sad. Actually, you're excited. Kung if you are really the pregnant one here, you might be excited. So, pwede itong, kung saan na lang kayo naka-resonate. Kasi ang nakikita ko kasi talaga dito, yung Taurus, yung pregnant dito. Pero, this could be the cross-watchers, or kung ano man, saan man kayo naka-resonate. So, parang hindi kayo mahilo sa story. Ang gawin ko dito is si Taurus yung na-pregnant. Kasi ito nakikita ko eh. So, parang feeling mo kasi, this is a great new beginning. Hindi ka naman sad. I don't know, nasasaktan ka pero hindi ka ganun ka sad. Parang para sa'yo, blessing to na dumating sa buhay ko. This could also be a blessing. So, in the future, honestly, you are going to move forward. If buntis ka ngayon, baka lalaki yung anak mo. Pero, you will going to, parang, makapag-umpisa ulit sa buhay. Kasi feeling ko, this is a goal or opportunity na dadating sa'yo in the future na kung saan you will going to chase your dreams and goals in life in the future. So, what you are right now? What is your current situation? See, nasa point ka ngayon that you have that feeling or na situation na parang excitement and feeling like bagong pag-asa sa buhay, or feeling like this is it. This is a new life, na new journey na kailangan kong tahakin, kailangan kong embrace to. Para sa akin, this is a blessing kasi it's all new beginning. Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands, parang para sa'yo, hindi ko, sabihin natin na, hindi ko pinagsisihan to. Parang blessing to na dumating sa buhay ko and I love this. Parang ganyan. Let's see. See? So, Taurus. Okay. I think that itong person na kasama mo ngayon is matagal na kayo nito. Yeah, matagal na kayo nito. And I think this person did love you. But then, this person has a past person involved dito. Minahal ka niya kaya may nangyari sa'yo, nabuntis ka, pero mayroon siyang past person. Parang this person is a matured one, could be. Meron siyang other responsibility in life. And I think, kaya dito may entrapment, may heartstrings, because parang nabuntis ka, and kahit may asawa siya or something, may nangyari. Siguro hindi mo din sinadya, hindi mo ba alam, or anything like that. No judgment here, okay? Nagbabasa lang ako. So, pero parang sa'yo, itong nabuo na to is a blessing for me. So, in the future, Aries, feeling ko, hindi ka naman pababayaan nitong person na to. And feeling ko itong person na to, tutulungan ka niya, diba sabi ko kanina na might be in the future, merong great opportunity, you were going to chase your dreams in life or something like that. Because this person will be there. Kasi nakita ko yung father figure dito, and children or child involved here. So, I think maglalakas loob naman siya na tulungan ka in the future sa kung ano man yung mangyayari sa panganganak mo ba or anything like that. Feeling ko nga baka magkukontinue pa rin kayo ng person na to, even in the future. May nakikita pa nga ako dito, parang maglalakas loob talaga siya na hindi kanya pababayaan in a way sa mga nangyari. But the thing here is, might be this person has a past. I just really still don't know if yung past na yun is they are still together, or maybe he's a legal married pero hiwalay na sila and nangyari to sa inyo. At meron din siyang ibang priority sa ex niya, may mga nagsusupport din sa mga anak niya sa una, and nangyari to na buntis ka. Kasi may money din dito eh. So might be namumblema sa ngayon, namumblema siguro kayo pagdating sa money, or ikaw ba sa pagbubuntis mo. But you don't have to worry kasi itong person na to hindi ka niya pababayaan even in the future. So, what is your situation right now? Honestly, you are like unsureness talaga about sa future ninyong dalawa ng person na to. Dahil nga, might be this person is married. So, may pamilya din siya. Halos hindi, either ikaw to, halos hindi ka nakakatulog sa kaisip sa gabi, or yung person mo. Sobrang bothered siya sa mga nangyayari. So, might be sa ngayon, siguro sa ngayon, meron kayo mga pinagdadaanan na hindi siguro kayo nag-uusap. Siguro baka na-shock siya na nabuntis ka, and another, another responsibility, and hindi ka muna niya kinausap, kaya medyo worried ka. Pero para sa'yo, hindi ko pinagsisihan to na nabuntis ako, ganyan. Siguro, ang worry mo lang dito is paano yung future ng babying ito. Kasi may money din dito eh. So, pero ang nakita ko kasi dito, even in the future, hindi ka niya pabayaan. So, medyo unsureness ka lang, but you still love this person. You love this person, kaya hindi mo pinagsisihan tong nangyari sa inyo or nabuo. So, what you need to spend less time on so that you can evolve as a person. I think you need to spend less time on some people na hindi mapagkatiwalaan. So, let's see. And you need to spend less time on parang being trapped in a situation. You need to spend less time on that. Parang feeling ko ganito. Nangyari yun na yung mga dapat nangyari, nabuo na. And I think this time you need to learn from your lessons na. And not to continue anymore, lalo na if this person is pamilyado. Kasi parang ito yung nasasabi dito that you need to spend less time on. And may nakikita ako dito na parang you need to let go of this. You need to end this. And para wala ng gulo. So, kasi feeling ko itong person na to, hindi ka niya iiwan eh. Kumbaga, nandyan pa din siya kahit pa siguro may iba siyang pamilya o nauna sa iyong pamilya. Mag-uusap pa din kayong dalawa nito. Pero, if magkukontinue pa rin kayo, there's a possibility may mga conflict talagang mangyayari from the family, ganyan, and puno pa din to ng mga overthinks sa gabi, stressful, and puno pa din, baka may mga hindi ka makakatulog sa gabi thinking about some problems, ganyan, lalo na ngayon buntis ka, if ever, kasi pregnancy. So, kailangan mong mag-heal from this and to walk away. Parang I think this is what you need to spend more time on. Focusing on yourself more. Focusing on your pregnancy even if you're alone. Focusing on your life. Not na hindi ka aasa dito sa person na to. And I think this time around, might be you need to let go. To learn some of your lessons. Walk away. Heal. And mag-umpisa ng new journey ng buhay mo as a mother. Kasi wala ka namang parang walang kasiguraduhan naman yung relasyon ninyo eh. Bakit? Kasi meron naman kasi siyang first, might be family, baka meron siyang, kasi married siya eh. So, parang walang kasiguraduhan yung relasyon ninyo because of that. Kasi wala din ako nakikitang iwan niya. Yung hindi naman niya iwan. Kumbaga, even hanggang sa magkaanak na lang kayo, ganun pa din yung sitwasyon ninyo. So, parang gusto mo lang ba na ganun lang? So, hanggang lumaki yung anak mo at malalaman ng anak mo yet you are just a third wheel. So, might be one day, mapapagod ka din sa pagiging ganito, and one day you will going to realize then your worth in a way. You will going to realize na deserve mo din ng someone na ipaprioritize ka, at deserve ng anak mo yung tatay na wala nang, kumbaga, hindi lang basta pinupuntahan lang just to give support or anything. Someone who stay and be a father sa kanya. So, might be one day you will going to realize that. And I think you need to focus on that realization in your life. So, what you should remember to do so you can set yourself up in the future. You should remember, Taurus, that you are strong. You are strong, you are brave, and you are a mother right now. Mother energy, strong energy. Someone who is willing to fight for their child. Some mother who is brave, that no matter what, hindi ako magpapatalo, hindi ako magiging mahina, at hindi ako asa lang. I am an independent woman for my child right now. I am already a mother right now. So, tatahakin ko ang lahat para lang sa anak ko. Could be you might be asked for support, but hindi na makipagsama sa kanya anymore because meron naman siyang first family. See? At hindi mo nahahayaan pa na you will not going to accept the offer anymore from this person who is the father of your child para lang maging third party even if may anak na kayong dalawa. So kung sakali man talaga na hindi carry niya na iwanan yung first family niya, ikaw na lang yung lalayo. Nangyari na yung nangyari, lessons learned. You just really need to accept and to move forward. And might be just to ask a support from this person na lang as a father ng anak mo. Kasi nandito din you need to walk away calmly from this situation and you need to heal from this. You need to guard yourself from this na. Kasi parang it's so unfair na ganito, may pamilya na siya, tapos bubuo na din kayo ng pamilya and yet hindi ka pa rin mapaprioritize. So, what you should let go of to become the best version of yourself. Let go of the disappointments. I know it's not easy. Disappointed ka talaga dito na ngayon na might be you thought na ngayon na magkaanak na kami, might be lagi na siya sa akin, lagi na siya sa amin or something like that ngayon. Pero I think siguro sa mga mangyayari, you will going to be disappointed and I think you need to let go of that. But instead of, you need to learn from your lesson. Accept and forgive and move forward. See? Kasi pag nasa point ka ng parang gustuhin mo pa din talaga yung gusto mong mangyari at hindi nangyayari yung gusto mong mangyari. Parang parang kailangan mo pa ba talaga na to fight for your right? Kailangan mo pa talaga, if you might have no right. Kasi ang meron lang dito is nagkaanak lang kayo o nabuntis ka ng person na to. So, kailangan mo pa talaga ba ipaglaban yung nararamdaman mo, yung pagbubuntis mo, para lang ma-accept ka o ma-accept yung anak mo? Kailangan pa ba talaga ng ganitong mga bagay na to? So, parang kailangan mo pag-isipan ng mabuti yung magiging decision mo dito, Taurus. Kasi kung mag-aantay ka ng mag-aantay sa person na to at i-continue nyo pa rin to, mapapagod ka talaga dito at lalo ka lang masasaktan. Kasi nasa entrapment ka na so what does your future self want to give you credit for? Your future self want to let you know that it's not easy to let go. Hindi din easy na mag-move on, lalo na ngayon na may anak kayo and tumagal pa kayong dalawa nito. Hindi madali, ang mahirap, pero if you will going to move forward, I think one day makikita mo din yung sagot sa mga tanong mo. If you will not going to let go, if you will not going to plan on letting go, lalo ka lang masasaktan, lalo ka lang makaabot ka pa sa depression, anxiety. And dahil ito ngang person na to is cheating on you or cheating both of you with the first and you. Kasi might be this person is married and you are really just a third party here and he's cheating both of you. So you need to make a decision para hindi ka mabigatan. You need to end this. Kailangan mong wasakin to and walk away. And move forward, see? Kailangan mo nang mag-move forward and walk away. What do you have the potential to accomplish this in the future when you let go? So, pag dadating na yung point na pagod ka na, pagod ka na, and darating yung araw in the future, in the near future, darating yung araw, give up ka din dahil mapapagod ka na. You just surrender the fight and just walk away. And I think hindi din to ganun kadali on your part and on your person's part. Hindi din naman to siya tatahimik lang. Syempre, I think hindi to siya papayag. Pero, when you are going to learn na yung sundin din yung sarili mong decision or sundin yung nararapat na gawin talaga. And learn how to say no, and parang also see your worth na din as a woman, for your child, for yourself. Then I think this time ma-accomplish mo yung future na maganda for you and your child in a way. So honestly, Taurus, hindi ko naman na, if nasa sitwasyon kayo na ganito, okay, hindi ko naman sinasabi na pipilitin ko kayo na iwan mo na yan, kasi kayo naman yung nagmahal, tumagal na kayo nakadepende pa din yun sa'yo. Pero kung nakikita mo, napapansin mo, Taurus, is like parang unfair na yung mga nangyayari, hindi na healthy, parang feeling mo like minsan napababayaan ka na yung anak mo, hindi na pa-prioritize, then I think kailangan mo na din gumawa ng paraan. Okay? Kadepende pa din sa iyo yung decision. So, I'm going to pull an oracle card. This is a love message. Oracle card. It is important right now to take a step back and spend some time alone instead of placing your focus on another. Now is the time to give it to yourself. So, naka-resonate din yung message sa iyo, Taurus. So, I can see signs here, Taurus, Capricorn, Gemini, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Aries, yeah, Scorpio, Aquarius, Cancer, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, yun, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So that is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.